Hello everyone, this is Vanshika Tainwala, legal intern under Lexis and Company. So today I will be sharing a legal news relating to the case of Mandeep Kaur versus State of Punjab and others, where the Punjab and Haryana High Court has held that extramarital affair cannot be a ground in order to deny the woman custody of her child. So in this case, the Punjab and Haryana High Court recently observed that even assuming that a woman is in an extramarital affair, the same by itself cannot lead to the conclusion that she would not be a good mother to deny her the custody of the child. So the bench was of Justice Anupinder Singh Grewal, who was hearing the plea filed by the mother who had moved to Punjab and Haryana High Court in order to issue of the writ of habeas corpus seeking the custody of her minor daughter. Importantly, the court noted that her husband couldn't substantiate the allegations pertaining to the character of the woman that she was in the extramarital affair with the relative. The court held that aside of the bald assertion in the petition, no supporting material has been brought before the court. Importantly, the court observed that modern times are replete where the instances of single parents are seen and where the adults have been grown as responsible adults in order to contribute to the nation in various fields. So this matter was before the court, where the court noticed that the parties, mother, father and the daughter, that the mother and father went to Australia in furtherance of their career prospects and they were working in Australia only. The girl child was born in Australia only and she was brought up in her initial years in Australia only. So the mother had a permanent residence in Australia where she was earning 70,000 Australian dollars per annum, and a handsome sum would be payable by the father for the maintenance of the child as well as by the Australian authorities. So the mother and father developed matrimonial differences which led to their separation, and the woman filed a divorce petition in the year 2019 before the Federal Circuit Court of Australia. However, before the divorce could be finalized, the husband promised that he would improve his behavior in the future, and therefore they started living together. Further, while they were living together, they arrived in India in January 2020, and thereafter the husband alleged that husband allegedly kept the passport of the child and took away the child and started threatening the wife. Thus, fearing her safety, the mother of the child, fled back to Australia, where she filed a petition for the custody of the child before the Australian Federal Circuit Court, and the court passed an interim order in April 2020 which directed that her husband shall return the minor child to Australia. Meanwhile, she also moved to Punjab and Haryana High Court in order to seek the custody of the child. So the Punjab and Haryana High Court stated that nothing that there is an order of the Australian court that the child is under 5 years of age, she is an Australian citizen and the petitioner is fairly well settled in Australia. So the court was of the view that it was in the best interest and welfare of the child if her custody is handed to petitioner mother. Consequently, the petitioner was allowed, and it was the order that the custody of the child would be handed to her mother. The court also noted that the petitioner mother was stated to be residing in Australia. Thus, the court directed that till the petitioner arrives in India to take the custody of the child, the husband shall ensure that the child interacts with petitioner through video conferencing every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday at 1 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time or as per mutually agreed between them. The court remarked this. And on the arrival of the petitioner in India and after observing COVID-19 protocol, the custody of the child shall be handed over by the respondent number 4. So in this case, we can see that the court, Punjab and Haryana High Court, has taken a very new perspective in relation to the custody of the child. In many cases, different high courts have held that the extramarital affair can be a ground to deny the custody of the child. But in this case, the Punjab and Haryana High Court stated a landmark judgment wherein extramarital affair is no more a ground in order to conclude that the custody of the child would be denied, and this doesn't state that the mother is not a good mother. And in fact, we all know that in order to take the custody of the child, the mother takes good care than the father, and in this case the mother is not facing any financial difficulties. And after seeing all the facts and circumstances of the case, the Punjab and Haryana High Court granted the full custody of the child to the mother. This was all for today's video. Thank you.